Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start right now by closing the camera app and restarting the phone. That clears most transient software hiccups. While it reboots, inspect and gently clean the lens with a microfiber cloth. Dirt causes hunting and blur. Once done, remove any case or protector that could obstruct the lens or sensors. Then open camera, switch to manual or tap-to-focus mode, and aim at a plane surface about 30 cm away to get a consistent focus reference. This reveals if the issue is hardware or software. Next, you adjust settings to remove interference. Choose AFS or manual focus and lock exposure to prevent constant remetering. Turn off HDR, stabilization, and any third-party camera overlays. They change processing and can break autofocus behavior. Then update the camera app and the phone OS. Software patches often fix focus algorithms. If problems persist, clear the camera app cache and settings to remove corrupted temp files. After each change, test focus on both near and far subjects to gauge improvement. For final steps, you should test the camera in safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app causes the problem, boot into safe mode, and retry focusing. If the issue remains, back up your data and consider a factory reset, but do this only as a last resort. If focus still fails, inspect for physical damage like loose lens or moisture. In that case, contact manufacturer support or an authorized repair center. One tip: if autofocus randomly hunts, a hardware fault is likely. Stop DIY disassembly and get professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.